Okay, so let us start with viscosity. Viscosity is the tendency of the cheese to spread and flow when completely melted. Viscosity of the cheese is important to manufacturers for several reasons: pumpability during manufacture, optimum hot fillability during packing, and restricted flow during food preparation. CheddMax EV, or Enhanced Viscosity, is a functional cheese curd designed for use in a variety of processed cheese end products, such as individually wrapped slices, slice-on-slice, blocks, triangles, and spreads. Today I'm going to start by demonstrating the making of processed cheese using our CheddMax EV that provides enhanced viscosity. To make the processed cheese, I am adding our CheddMax EV and also some of our CheddMax Savory Flavour natural cheese in order to add flavour to the texture building solution of CheddMax EV. In addition, I am also adding butter, salt, milk protein powders and emulsifying salts. In this instance, I'll be adding SMP, skim milk powder and rennet casein, but we could also use acid casein, MPC, milk protein concentrate, WPC, whey protein concentrate, or other relevant milk protein powders. The mix is heated to approximately 80 to 90 degrees Celsius and is mixed for 10 to 15 minutes overall, depending on the type of recipe. The Thermomix is run on medium shear to minimize the incorporation of air, but to ensure all powders are dispersed and absorbed into the mixture. While that is mixing, I'll explain how CheddMax EV can help with cost efficiencies. We have done a lot of work to optimize various processed cheese formulations using our CheddMax EV. Our results have shown that slices, both individually wrapped slices and slice-on-slice, made using CheddMax EV were significantly firmer than slices made using standard cheddar cheese. Why is firmness important? Well, the firmer the slice, the more similar it is to a natural cheese slice. Now, what we've also found is that using CheddMax EV, you can reduce the amount of cheese and still get very good firmness. Therefore, when you make processed cheese with CheddMax EV, you can use up to 10% less cheese and still get desirable texture to your processed cheese product. Back to the cheese. We now have a processed cheese in the Thermomix. As you can see, this product has excellent flowability, which will ensure good pumpability during manufacturing. In addition, it is optimized for hot fill packing. Now that the product has cooled, you can see it has a firm texture, it's not sticky, and it can bend slightly without breaking. As you can see, the CheddMax product exhibits excellent functionality and is made using 10% less cheese, allowing us to achieve the desired functionality in a more cost-effective manner. So as you have seen from the demonstration, our CheddMax EV delivers enhanced viscosity, providing superior functionality to processed cheese products. The value to your business comes from the enhanced viscosity that CheddMax EV delivers because it provides the potential to reduce the amount of cheese used by 10% to obtain a similar, if not better, level of firmness to the same recipe using standard cheddar. You also have the potential to alter the viscosity to facilitate extrusion depending on the plant setup.